In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get SKU on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the SKU for any product or variant in your store, and how to check it quickly without getting lost in the admin. A quick reminder before we dive in, SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit. It's the unique identifier you assign to each product or variant to keep your inventory organized. Customers typically don't see SKUs on your storefront, but they're incredibly useful for searching, reporting, labeling, and fulfillment. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center, and everything we need is right here. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and select products. This opens your full product list. If you have a lot of items, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you want by name or tag. Next, click the product you want to check. This opens the product details page. Here you'll see the title, media, description, pricing, and inventory sections. If your product has options like size or color, you'll also see a section called variants a little further down the page. Now scroll to the variants section. This is where Shopify lists every version of the product, each size, color, or material, so you can manage them individually. If your product doesn't have variants, don't worry, you'll still be able to find the SKU in the main product details under the inventory area. The idea is the same. You're looking for the SKU tied to the specific item you're selling. Choose the exact variant you want to check by clicking on it. This opens the variant's detail view, which looks similar to the main product page but is specific to that one version. You'll see pricing, inventory tracking, barcodes if you use them, and other fields related to that variant. Look for the field labeled SKU. It's usually located in the inventory section on the variant page. That value is the SKU you're after. You can highlight it to copy, use it to search within your products list, or include it on labels and packing slips. If you need to adjust it, type in the new value and make sure it's unique and consistent with your naming conventions. And if you make any edits, remember to save before you leave the page so your changes stick. That's it. You found where SKUs live in Shopify, either on the variant level in the variants section, or for single variant products in the main inventory area. Keep your SKUs organized and your inventory management will be smoother across the board.